Yeah, hello everybody. Here's Papa Alpha 5 Hotel Romeo. My handle is Bert, and today arrived another power amplifier here, and I have bought a power amplifier from RM Italy, the BLA 350, and hope I enjoy the power amp. It's for the first time that I use the power amp with transistors. I always used power amps with tubes, and my first power amp is from Acom, the Acom 1000. It's a tube power amp, and yeah. But this power amp here is, I will use it for my vertical antenna. And this power amp does, I think it's 350 watts in the peak, but that is enough for my antenna outside there, my vertical. So here you see my package, and I will unpack my power amp now. So this is Bravo Lima Alpha 350 Plus solid state compact HF 300 watt linear amplifier. What have arrived today here. That is a power cable here. So it must be my So here we are with Bravo Lima Alpha 350 Plus from RM Italy. The power amplifier arrived today here, and what I have unpacked so far. And yes, that is my power amp here. I will use it for another antenna. I'm actually use all the time tube amps, but this is the first time where I try a power amp with transistors. So yeah, here we go. Okay. And so So this is a new power amp from RM Italy. So this is a power amp from RM Italy, Bravo Lima 350 Plus, a black. Looks very nice, and hope it will work very nice, but I think so. The back side of the power amp here, it's nothing special. There's a power 220, 240 volts for transmitter in and out. ALC and PTT switch from the transmitter. Here we are. I have installed my new power amp from RM Italy, the Bravo Lima Alpha 350 Plus HF linear amplifier for the amateur radio bands. And now I will my first switch on the power amp here. So I switch it on. Oh yes, Bravo Lima 350. So that is my new amp, and I will work with this amp in digital, mostly in digital modus. And I have tested the amp. Will put out 400 watts, 450 watts. Very high power for this amp. Maybe I can show you that. And yeah, in combination with my antenna tuner here, MFJ Weather Tuner V, 3000 watt tuner, I think it will be a good combination. So I switch it in the FM mode here. So I put it the volume knob down a little bit. So you can see I switched it in operate mode. Yes. Yeah. In the beginning, the ventilation, the fan is coming up, but now it's good. Yeah. And very important with this power amp is you need not much power into the amp. And I have made the power on only between 6 and 8 watts, between 6 and 8 watts, and then you have mostly 300 and a little bit more power. So when I switch my PTT, yes, okay, that is 250, 300 watts. Input is 6 watt. 6 watt input and 300 output, and I go max to maximum 10 watt input. So 10 watt input, and then will come almost 450, almost 500, shortly 500 watts, but yeah, I think it's 400 watts PEP. But I push the PTT and you can see what is going on here. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Almost 400 watts. So that is a power amp, and I hope it will does a very good job for me, but I think so. And it looks like very nice. I like that design from the amp, and the power is much. It's a legal power what I've done, what we make here in the Netherlands. So 400 watt in the peak, and that is what the amp does. 350 and 400 PEP. So thank you for watching my video, and maybe I can make a little clip when I use it. But at the moment the conditions are very, very poor, all the band, and yeah, when the conditions are a little bit better, I will make another clip with the power amp in use. Here is a power amp from Italy, and I will use it for my digital modus FT8, and only for this I will use this power amp. For other modulation form I'm using my ICOM 1000, but this here is for FT8 and maybe other motors. But I use it with a vertical, in a combination with a vertical antenna, homemade vertical quarter wave for 40 meters, and I'm actually on 40 meters now, and I will make here a QSO with this power amp. So enjoy the clip here. This is Papa Alpha 5 Hotel Romeo. So I start the software. Yes, you will see 320 watts. Go out there, 320 watts. Real power, PEP. It works very good, and the noise is not so very high, so as you can hear. Yes, I like that. It works very fine. My SWR is very fine. And the power is 300 watts. Exactly 300 watts. On a vertical quarter wave and 3 meters above the ground only. And I think it's working very fine. Yes. I like the design from the power amp. It looks very nice. And the watt meter is in blue, and the color from the light is a warm color, and white, sorry. Yes, I have a contact with Sugar Victor 8 November Alpha Juliet. Okay, it works very nice. Many stations answering me, but I can only answer one call. So now I have a contact with a Sugar Victor 8 station. And the temps from the power amp is not so very high, and at the moment only 40 degrees. So there are 2 pen in with the power amp, but at the moment it's very slowly. So this is a little demonstration how fine the power amp is working here in FT8, and continue 320 watts. That is the power what goes into the power amp. It goes with 11 watts in the power amp. 11 watts, 10 to 11 watts. And I show you what is going out there. in FT8. $380 almost 400 watts going out there. By 11 watts input, almost 400 watt output. Yep, 400 watt output. Yeah, the last words about the power amp from RM Italy Bravo Lima Alpha 350 Plus. The power amp is completely automatic, because you can switch the bands automatically or manually. Therefore is a band switch on the front from the power amp, and when you push the PTT, the amp is automatically switch the bands when you're on 40 meters or 80 meters or another band. You can switch manually, and you have therefore the band switch, and you can switching automatically when you push the PTT, and you have to setting up in the menu on automatic. That is the power amp from Italy, and enjoy my clip, and hope I can help someone with this information here. Thank you very much for watching, and best 73 from Papa Alpha 5 Hotel Romeo. My handle is Bert.